Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the sync system in this 2017 Ford Fiesta. So from any screen, let's just clear out of that. We want to go. We want to go to something else. We'll go on CD. No CD. Okay, so from any screen, if we click phone, and you'll see at the bottom there, add, BT and close. So that's add, that's BT, and that's close. Each instruction at the bottom corresponds to one of these four buttons. So we don't want add, we want BT, Bluetooth. Click on Bluetooth. And it's showing there my phone. That's the only one connected to it at the moment. And you've got again add, delete and connect. So you've got add, delete and connect. I'll just have to cancel that because another instruction's come up, but delete is the second one. Delete Barry's iPhone Pro, that's yes or no there, so we want yes. That's it. Great Ford system, nice and simple.